Part of what makes LG Smart TV with WebOS so smart is the way it connects with other devices. Everything from a smartphone or tablet, your PC, and of course a Blu-ray player, home theater system, or soundbar. To begin, press the Home button on the Magic Remote, then navigate to the right until you see this blue tab with the icon of the two plugs. Click on it to launch the device connector. And here we see Step 1, Device Selection. We can choose to connect a set-top box, a Blu-ray or DVD player, a home theater system, a soundbar, external speakers or a pair of headphones, a game console, smartphone, PC, external storage such as a USB drive, or another box, including a legacy device such as a VCR. Now, let's connect your smartphone to your TV. These same steps should also work for most recent Android tablets. These are powerful, portable devices with a lot of features, so their setup is quite different from, say, a Blu-ray player. Right off the bat, there are three choices. Screen Share to view your smartphone screen on the TV screen. Content Share to control your smartphone content on the television. And TV Control, which lets you use your smartphone as a touchscreen remote control for your LG Smart TV. For Screen Share, you can go wireless using Miracast, which simply duplicates or mirrors whatever's on your Android or Windows phone screen. Just make sure that your phone supports the Miracast feature. Click Start down here and the Screen Share app should open. On your smartphone or tablet, make sure that the Miracast feature is turned on. The TV should appear as an available device named something like LG WebOS TV. Tap on it and, after this brief on-screen announcement, you should see your phone screen displayed on your TV right away. Up here, Listen Mode defaults to off for the best Wi-Fi performance, but you can also switch it on to accept a connection request while multitasking, if you want. Click on the question mark to view the connection guide for more helpful instructions. And you can use the Magic Remote to control your compatible LG phone or tablet. Once you're set up, you can also access Screen Share from the launcher. Just navigate to the right here and click on the Screen Share tab. For Content Share, you will need to download and install the LG TV Plus app for compatible Android or iOS devices. And we even provide these handy QR codes right on the screen that you can scan to make this step even faster and easier for you. The content sharing feature on your phone must be turned on in the appropriate settings, and your phone and TV need to be connected to the same network, over Wi-Fi or a wired LAN. The TV gives you a handy reminder of its network over here. Also, Wi-Fi Direct lets you connect wirelessly without the need for a router in between. As long as your phone supports it, click on this Help button for advice if you encounter any difficulty. Lastly, there's TV Control, and this requires the LG TV Plus app for Android or iOS, with the handy QR codes again, or simply visit your device's app store. Once it's installed on your phone, open it, and if your phone and TV are successfully connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you'll be asked if you want to pair to the LG Smart TV. Tap it and you'll see this pop up on the TV screen with a PIN code. Enter this code on the phone when prompted this first time and voila! Your smartphone has been transformed into a premium touchscreen remote with access to all of the launcher's content. A trackpad for the on-screen cursor, plus basic TV controls.